Let's make tartiflette. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today's recipe features all of my favorite ingredients: bacon, potatoes, and cheese. It originates in the French Alps and it uses Reblochon Cheese, which is a raw cow's milk cheese. It can be a little bit hard to find, so you can use raclette or a really strong triple cream brie if that's what you have. It's a super simple recipe and it takes no time at all to come together, so let's jump right in. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Peel your potatoes and slice them into 1 centimeter thick pieces. A good trick for keeping your potatoes stable is slicing a little piece off the bottom. Then your potato sits nice and flat and it doesn't wobble when you try to chop it. Add your potatoes to a pot of cold water, salt generously and bring up to a boil. Add 250 grams of smoked bacon lardons to a sauté pan. Cook these over medium heat until they start to render out their fats. While our lardons are cooking, we're going to slice our onions. Cut your onion in half and take the top and bottom off. Peel the skin. Now slice in the opposite direction from the top and tail. You want to slice these as thin as possible. And when you get to the center, flip the onion so it's flat on the board. This gives us nice long strips of onion. Once your potatoes yield to a knife, drain them and let them sit in the colander to steam further. Using a slotted spoon, remove your lardons onto a plate with a paper towel, leaving the remaining fat in the sauté pan. Add in 2 large knobs, about 40 grams of butter. Start scraping off that fond as it loosens, and then add in your onions. Those brown bits add so much flavor. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to chop our Reblochon cheese into cubes. Traditionally, this is just cut in half and then wedged on top of the potatoes, but I love the cheese to be fully incorporated. Season your onions with a little bit of black pepper and a generous grating of nutmeg. Then add in 60 milliliters of white wine. I'm using wine from the same region of France as the cheese. Now you can really scrape those brown bits off the bottom. You can also use chicken stock if you don't want to use wine. Once the wine has reduced by half, add in your lardons. Pour in your potatoes and toss so that they're coated with the sauce and the lardons and the onions. And now for the star ingredient, our beautiful cheese.
You'll want to bake this for about 20 minutes or until your cheese is bubbly and starting to go golden. Hungry for more cheese? Check out my fondue video here, or my mac and cheese video here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.